How to use the Meta Business Suite app. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use the Meta Business Suite app. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on my phone and I'm going to be showing you how you can use the app. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go over to your Play Store or App Store or whichever phone you use, then just simply search for Meta Business Suite app. And once you have that, just simply click on the install button and you are good to go. So this is what the application is going to look like right here. So just simply click on the install button and you are good to go. So I've already installed it, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and open it up and start using it. So over here, as you can see, I've already logged in with my Facebook account, and my Facebook account was linked to a page that I had created previously. So if you need to create a page, you can go ahead and do that as well. So over here, if you're wondering why you would need the Business Suite app, well, it's pretty simple. So for example, let's just say you have a business and you make posts every single day, and posting your posts every single day on different social media can be quite hectic. So that's where the Business Suite comes in, and you can manage all of your business. You can run ads on it, you can connect different accounts to it, you can send messages, accept messages, create posts. You have a bunch of different other tools. You can have insights and analytics on all of your social media accounts. So it's pretty simple. So over here, we're just simply going to go ahead and link our Instagram account. And to link that, it's pretty simple. You just simply click on the inbox button over here. Here you will get all of your messages and comments. And over here, it's asking you if you want to connect your Instagram account to, see all of your Instagram accounts, messages, and posts. So just simply click on connect account. It's going to ask you over here, do you want to connect account? And these are the features you're going to get. You're going to get content, ads, and insight, messages and comments, settings and permission all over here onto the business app. So simply click on connect application over here. Simply click on confirm app, and it's going to take you over here onto the Facebook login page, where you just simply log in to your Instagram account. So over here, just simply input your account name and password and you are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'll catch you guys in a second. And once you have logged in, you are good to go. Then it's going to take you over here onto the Facebook login page, where you just log in into your Facebook account and you are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And once you've logged into your Facebook account, just simply click on the connect button over here and confirm your login. And boom, you are good to go. So as you can see, now your Instagram account has been connected, and now you can access all of your messages and comments from your account over here onto the Facebook Business Manager. So it's over here. As you can see, these are all some of the messages that I received. This is my secondary account, so I don't really use it a lot. So yeah, and then you will have all of your comments over here as well. So pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. Now, what if you wanted to make a post, create a post for both of your Instagram account and your Facebook page? Well, it's pretty simple. Just simply click on post over here, simply click on post right here, and then you can make a post for your Facebook account. But if you wanted to upload, let's say, a story or a photo, then just simply click over here and choose the photo that you want to upload. Let's say we'll upload this photo right here, and click on next. As you can see right here, this is how it looks like. You can write something over here. As you can see, I'm just simply gonna write flowers and simply click on next. And then over here, you can choose whether you want to publish it now, save it as a draft, schedule it for later, and make a post as well. So the Facebook post, right? And if you were wondering how you can make a story, then over here, if you click on story, you choose the post that you want, you just simply click on share on, and then over here you will have your accounts that you have linked. So I don't know why my Instagram account is not popping up real quick. Let me just close this application and open it up again. Hopefully it'll work this time. Over here, as you can see, yeah, so this is my Facebook account right here. So over here, these are some of the stories that I created right here. What about all posts? Yeah. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to make a post. As you can see over here, we can choose which account we want now. So we have both our Facebook account and our Instagram account. So if we wanted to make a post on both of them, we are good to go. So over here, we can write something, however we feel like it. We can have like a background, different background, different colors. Thinking this blue looks good. Then we can select a photo and a video to go along with it. I'm going to choose this one right here and click on done. And then I will write something over here, and I'll say flowers. and then we can add location and feeling activity, tag people, and all of that. And then we just simply click on next, and then over here we can publish it now on both our Instagram account and Facebook account as well. So this is how it's going to look like on our Instagram account, and this is how it's going to look like on our Facebook account. So we just simply click on publish. It'll take a few seconds, but it should be published as of right now. So as you can see over here, pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. So that's how you make in a post on both of your Facebook account and your Instagram account. Now, as well as over here, you can reply to your messages as well. And you have your creator post. You can grow your audiences as well. You will have down below, if you scroll down, you will have your trends over here. You will have insights and audiences on both your Facebook page and your Instagram account. You can create posts for them, as I showed you right here. You can reply to different comments and messages. And also another cool thing is that you can create ads right here on your phone. So if you wanted to click on this hamburger icon over here in the bottom from right corner, which says tools, and over here you will have a bunch of different options. So if you click on ads right here, you can go ahead and create an ad right here on your phone, which you think is pretty amazing. You don't even have to go on your computer on the website. So if you click on create an ad over here, it's going to ask you what type of goal you want to achieve. So you have get more leads, promote your page, get more website visitors, or get more messages. So it all depends on you. You can even get started with an automated ads and boost your post, right? So let's go with the automated option right here. So if I click on automated ads, it's going to ask us a few questions that we need to answer, and then they'll test up to 6 different versions of our ads that best fits our needs, and then review and start our plan, which I think is pretty cool. So if you click on get started over here, we can choose what do you want. So over here we have location, we have website, do people buy products, do people buy different things from your account. So these are all the questions that they're going to ask us. So we're going to click on next, and over here choose up to the 6. And over here, as you can see, I've already created this ad earlier. So actually I'm just simply going to cancel this out, and maybe I'll create something else. Actually, let's go ahead and go into ads and create a different ad. So this time I want to get more messages and more visitors from our website. So over here, just simply add in the of your website, add in the button on your ad, get smart audiences, add in your budget, as you can see over here, add the duration of your ads and the payment method. And once you've done that, just simply click on promote your website. So over here, they're basically asking you that a certification is required to give a non-discrimination policy before running the ad. So if you want, you can go ahead and fill this out as well. But you get the idea, right? Like, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy about it. So pretty much that's it. That's how you use the Meta Business Suite app, and that's how you run ads and promote your account and post different posts on both of your social media, answer messages and comments and all of that. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.